We'll guide you through how to fix Bluetooth headphones connected but there being no sound in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be annoying because then you can't go and have the sound coming through them, so you've got some different fixes you can try. Go and right click on the sound icon in the bottom right of your computer and get your sound settings. In output, do make sure they're actually selected here, as otherwise that's why they're not coming through, so I'll select them here, see if that solves it. If it doesn't, or they're not showing this list, you want to go and press Bluetooth and devices to the left. Then you want to go and find the option for devices, and you want to go and scroll down and go and find more devices and printer settings. Find the headphones and then right click on them and press properties. You want to press services. If you see the option for hands-free telephony, you want to try unselecting it, press apply and then press OK. Go and see if that solves it. If you find they're still not showing up in the sound list, you want to come to Bluetooth and devices. You want to go and find them, press the three dots near top right and press remove device. And then what you can try doing is connecting them again. So you can press add device. If they've got an on or off, turn them on and off, and then you can put them to pairing mode and connect. We've now connected and you want to come back to your sound and select them. Hopefully now they're working.